Boys and girls, are you ready for monster trucks? Come on, I think your mums and dads can do better than that. Are you ready for monster trucks? That's better. That's the noise we want. That's the height we want. You keep it going. Your cats, your kids, and your favourite machine, and wave them as they come on past here at the Wauchope Showgrounds. Ladies and gentlemen, the monster events, Monster Truck Team! Oh, it's been a while for me too, boys and girls. 6,000 horses. We're going to do our hello jumps first, but I want each and every one of you, from the top of your voice, and only the boys and girls, from 3, 2, 1, start your engines. So, here we go, boys and girls, from the top. 3, 2, 1, start your engines! SUV. Rally driver extraordinaire Jack Monkhouse behind the wheel. Boys and girls, it's one of the latest trucks in the Monster Events range. Hold on to your hats, get your camera's face. It's Jack Monkhouse. Well, in COVID he hasn't had much frequent flyer points, and now all he wants to do is get in the air. Yeah, come on, Wauchope. Standing up. Hey, as I turn up, a post-J race at some of the best you'll ever see. Nice pop the wheelie there, the kids love it. Sure you do too, after that. Slippery out on the long grass of the way. Gonna make it good for the race with that 1,500 horsepower. 4-ton in the... Bumps it through the middle, ladies and gentlemen. So, Monster Truck fans, Miss Mayhem. Sends it all! Hard on the nose. Throws it around on the top. He would have just had to put his head back on after that, I think. That would have shaken the boys. Rolls it through. Here he goes! That's what it's all about. Backflipping fun here at Aussie FMX. The best FMX show on the... Four-stroking it here and gets back with a nice big in black. Throws it down, no head flip. That's because... Throws it down and lays down on the job. He takes through Chevy on the 4-stroke. Holy hectomum! Yeah! Laying it down and kill, click, flip. There you go. This voice you've got, kids. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, are you ready, Wauchope? You know what to do. 3, 2, 1, go! Kids, big voice here. Semi-finals. 3, 2, 1, go! Buddy, buddy, buddy! Here we go! 3, 2, 1, go! Wicked one! That's wicked psyching him out. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! The momentum, trying to push Rolly back on. Rolly wants to go. Oh, Polly! Oh, close. You got to cheer loud, boys and girls, for him to get up front. So when they come near you, make some noise. Yell, scream, give your mum and dad a headache. Here we go! Oh, yeah! Rolly goes up. Oh! Yes, right. Oh, here comes Rolly. I'm going to stand still. What are you doing, Rolly? Oh, here we go. Ah, they help each other. There you go. Up and on the nose he goes. He's nearly... I think I should just leave him here. My kids mixed up. I know your parents must do that. Come on, Polly. Up. Here he goes. Ah, yeah. All the way over. We got one more jump and I want you to be louder than you've ever been before. Oh, clicks and flips it as well. Stream down on the nose. You gotta make some noise for extreme. I wanna be yours, but baby. Send it, folks. 100% wicked. A beautifully designed truck. And a pleasure to drive. Here we go.